Greetings, everyone. So in this video, I want to talk about a word specifically in Romans 16:17, which is not only poorly translated, but has to be understood according to the compound of the Greek word, namely dikastasia. Where notice, as always, these compound words contain elements that are important to interpret the Greek here. So it's derived from dis, which is an adverb defining twice, where the noun duo defines two, where then we also find an adjective in the same word family here, diplus, which defines double. So this is the concept of the word. Concerning those making dissensions, as translated here in the Devar, which we also find in Galatians 5:20, looking for my mouse, which is a work of the flesh. So it's a characteristic within an individual who are doing this. And if you have the Devar software, there's actually a concepts explanation blurb. So literally two-standingness or double standing. So those making dissensions are those who have a double standard. They may say one thing to one person and a different thing to another person because of pretext. So you see here it says inner dividedness. So it's a personal characteristic. Two contrary points of view. A permanent changing of the point of view depending on where a bigger profit and lesser difficulties are to be expected. So, the making dissensions is not causing divisions. It's a personal characteristic in the individual who has a double standard. Similarly, they would be those who James defines as double-souled, James 1:8 and 4:8. From G 1374, from dipsukos, again, a compound of dis and sukos, soul. Double-souled, double-standing, where we also find double-worded. Servants are not to be double-worded. 1 Timothy 3:8. 1351. Dilogos. The word logos is word. From dis to, which again the noun is duo, and the adjective diplus, from dis. So this is how we have to interpret the word here in Romans 16:17. They're not causing divisions. It's a personal characteristic. Those who are themselves making double standard. So we have to take heed. We have to pay attention to those who are doing this characteristic. Okay? Double standing. And ensnaring others and teaching two things, depending on the audience, I guess, which we are to incline ourselves out away from them doing this. This isn't just talking about, in general, people we disagree with. It's talking about people who talk out of two sides of their mouth, basically.